In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for editing. If you've ever felt frustrated switching between different design tools just to make simple changes, Canva can make the whole process much easier. Instead of dealing with complicated software, you can edit text, replace images, adjust photo settings, organize layers, and export your final design all in one place. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to move through the editing workspace smoothly and make clean, professional updates to your project. To begin, open Canva in your browser and go to your homepage dashboard. From there, look through your recent projects and open the design you want to work on. This could be a presentation, a flyer, a social media graphic, or any other Canva project. Once you open it, you'll be taken straight into the main editing canvas where all of your tools and design elements are ready to use. Next, let's update your text. On the canvas, double-click inside any text box you want to change. This will highlight the text so you can type in your new wording. After that, look at the toolbar along the top of the editor. This is where you can change the font style, adjust the font size, and update the text color. Take your time here because small typography changes can make a big difference in how polished your design looks. Now let's replace an image while keeping the layout intact. On the left sidebar, click Uploads if you want to use your own image, or click Elements if you want to browse Canva's built-in library. Once you find the image you want, click and hold it. Drag it over the image already on your canvas and release it directly on top of the existing frame. Canva will automatically snap the new image into place, keeping the same shape and dimensions, which is a huge time saver. If your image needs a bit more refinement, click on the photo and then choose Edit Photo from the top toolbar. This opens the photo editing panel. From there, you can use the background remover if you want to isolate the main subject and remove the backdrop. This is especially useful for cleaner layouts and more professional looking visuals. If elements begin overlapping in the wrong order, right-click the item you want to fix, go to Layer, and choose Show Layers. You can also use Position and then open the Layers tab in the Layer panel. Drag the item higher in the list to bring it forward. Before exporting, do a quick alignment check by moving elements slightly and watching for Canva's guidelines to appear. When everything looks right, click Share in the top right corner. Then Download, choose PNG, and click Download again to save your high-resolution file. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and